The chief disadvantages of the No. 4 rifle in use in the Army today are that it is manually operated, its rate of rapid fire is slow, and even that rate can only be achieved after a considerable amount of training. Owing to the complicated equipment of the modern infantryman, it is no longer desirable to devote so much time to one type of training, and this defect has been shown up quite clearly in the last war and more recently in Korea. And it's a fact to say that today we are the only major power still armed with a manually operated rifle. Therefore, it has been decided that the time has arrived when the British Army must have a self-loading rifle, and a Belgian weapon of .30 caliber has been ordered for troop trials. Now, this rifle has been accepted after extensive trials in comparison with other weapons made in Great Britain and United States of America. From the fighting soldier's point of view, the main advantage of this weapon is that it is self-loading. In other words, the man no longer has to load each round by hand. Therefore, a considerable amount of time is saved in training a man to reach a high standard of rapid fire, and the man himself can devote so much more time to holding, aiming, and shooting accurately. To show you how easy it is to strip this weapon, Son Major, would you show them very quickly how to strip the weapon now?
Yes, sir. Well, this weapon is really very simple indeed to strip. First of all, unload it, cock it, and like you break open a shotgun, this lever is pressed and the weapon broken. And from inside you can take out the working parts. There's the weapon stripped. To assemble, put it back in the reverse order. Put it together, put on the magazine, and there she is ready to fire once again. That's all there is to it, sir.
Thank you very much, Son Major.